We're exploring public transport. I use public transport to get to work daily. Taking public transport is cheaper than driving a car. Public transport schedules are often available online. She prefers public transport because it reduces her carbon footprint. In many cities, public transport operates 24 hours a day. I missed the last train, so I had to take a taxi. Public transport infrastructure is crucial for urban development. The government's investment in public transport has improved efficiency significantly. Despite the pandemic, public transport systems implemented effective safety measures. We're exploring taxi. I hailed a taxi to get to the airport. She is waiting for a taxi outside the restaurant. Can you call a taxi for me, please? The taxi dropped us off at the hotel entrance. He usually takes a taxi to work on rainy days. There is a long queue waiting for taxis at the station. Despite the traffic, our taxi arrived on time for the meeting. She managed to find a taxi despite the late hour. As soon as he landed, he booked a taxi to the hotel. We're exploring driving. I enjoy driving my car to the beach on weekends. She is learning driving at the local driving school. Driving in the city can be stressful during rush hour. He commutes to work by driving through the scenic route. The driving test includes both theory and practical exams. Driving at night requires extra attention to road signs. Driving under poor weather conditions demands heightened alertness. Her driving proficiency has improved significantly after advanced lessons. Driving regulations vary considerably between different countries and regions. We're exploring traffic. I got stuck in traffic on my way to work. The traffic light just turned red. She listens to music to relax during traffic jams. Traffic tends to be heavier during rush hour. The city is trying to improve its traffic management. He checked the traffic app before leaving home. Traffic congestion is a major issue in urban areas. Protests disrupted normal traffic flow downtown today. Debates about traffic pollution continue to influence public policy. We're exploring parking. I found a parking spot near the entrance. Parking is free on Sundays in this area. He always struggles with parallel parking. The parking garage was full, so I parked elsewhere. Parking regulations are stricter in downtown areas. Parking decals expire annually and need renewal. Considering the rush hour, secure parking early. Parking availability significantly influences urban commuting decisions. Innovations in automated parking systems enhance urban mobility.